Welcome back. Today we're going to visit Piney Creek Preserve. This preserve is right in the middle of Beckley, West Virginia. It's in town. It's a little bit hidden. I will make a comment here that we came down here right after a pretty good snowfall, and this road's a little rough getting in and out of here. So if you don't have a all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive vehicle, I would be cautious about visiting this if we've just had a large snowfall. Any other time of year should be fine, but just want to make a note of that. As we get down the bottom of this hill here, you'll see the parking lot. It's fairly large for small parks. There's plenty of parking down here. If you look to the left, you'll also see the bridge crossing over Piney Creek. As we get to the end of the parking lot and start down the trail here, there are two signs. One shows the location of the waterfalls and the trails. The other one is for a future mountain bike trail that they're going to install in this preserve. It just says coming soon. I didn't see an actual date on it, but there will be future mountain bike trail here. As far as the actual trail itself to the waterfalls, this is a pretty short walk. I would estimate both falls are under a quarter of a mile. You can walk them pretty quick, so not too difficult. This is a pretty flat walk all the way, and it's a really easy trail to take. Quite a few people down here. What we're looking at here is White Stick Creek in the background, and the water flowing out of the concrete culvert is Cranberry Creek. This is where the two creeks come together to form Piney Creek. Little White Stick Falls. We can get up close. Here we're leaving the waterfall at Little White Stick Creek, and we're walking towards the Cranberry Creek waterfalls. I didn't shoot any video of the Cranberry Creek waterfalls today. There was a large group of people up there. Looked like a family up there. Kids were actually playing in the water and on the rocks. As cold as it was today, they were out there enjoying it, so I didn't feel like it was a good idea to shoot video up there. Let the family enjoy it while they were here. But if you come out here, the Cranberry Creek waterfalls are more of a series of smaller waterfalls back to back than the one large waterfall like what you've just seen. But definitely still worth looking at if you make it out here. The buildings you see across the street from us, across the stream, is the Beckley Sanitation Department. Just keep in mind if you come out here and get in the water that the sanitation department does discharge treated water upstream in Cranberry Creek. We hope you enjoyed the video today, and thank you for watching. And if you liked, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.